What's this? This is a badminton birdie. Maybe you don't play a sport, badminton.
But around the world, over 339 million people do. I'm one of them.
However, the problem with the birdie is that with just a few hours of play, it goes from this to this. Then, it's thrown away.
As it is made out of plastic, glue, and sometimes nylon, it takes hundreds of years to decompose. Unfortunately, recycling is expensive and unprofitable. An estimated 100 million badminton shuttlecocks go into the landfill every single year.
That's why I founded BirdieUp Canada, to hold workshops with youth to upcycle these badminton birdies into fun keychains with old art materials.
Inspired by explorer Heather J. Coldaway, we created and sell these keychains with proceeds supporting environmental charities. Through collaborations with individuals and organizations, we're able to reach and inspire more youth.
Let's continue to help our communities through environmentalism and community service.